Welcome to Colorful Cute Kids channel.
Hello everyone. Welcome to the Colorful Cute Kids channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to draw and color Peppa Pig, Suzy Sheep, and Zoe Zebra playing tug of war. Are you ready? Let's get started. Let's start drawing. First, I'll draw Zoe Zebra, starting with her big, bright eyes. Next, I'll add her nose and her happy smile just like this. Now, I'll draw her face and her two ears, and don't forget her zebra stripes. They make her look so cool. Let's continue by drawing her body. I'll add her two legs and her little tail like this. Then, I'll complete her stance by drawing her second pair of legs. Now, standing right in front of her is Suzy Sheep. I'll start by drawing Suzy's eyes, just like we did for Zoe. Then, I'll add her nose and her friendly smile. Next, I'll draw her two fluffy ears. Now, let's draw her body. She's holding onto the rope, pulling as hard as she can. I'll also add her two legs like this. And finally, let's draw Peppa Pig standing in front of Suzy. I'll start with Peppa's eyes, then add her nose and her two little ears. Now, let's draw her rosy cheek and her big, open-mouthed smile. She looks so excited. I'll continue by drawing her body and then her legs like this. Now, I'll use a black marker to outline everything and make the drawing stand out. Time to color. Let's bring our drawing to life with some fun colors. First, I'll use black to color Zoe's stripes and one of her ears. I'll also use black for her tail, hands, and legs. Now, let's add some colors. Gray for some parts of her body. Pink for a little extra detail. Purple for Zoe Zebra's dress, such a lovely color. Now, let's color Suzy Sheep. Her nose will be pink, a soft cream for her cheek, and her dress. Pink, of course. Let's color it in. Now, onto Peppa Pig. Her dress will be red, her signature look. I use pink watercolor to color her skin. And finally, let's color the rope. I'll use dark yellow to make it stand out. Great job! Our drawing is complete. Did you have fun drawing Peppa, Suzy, and Zoe playing tug of war? If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe so we can create more fun drawings together. See you in the next video. Goodbye.